Good afternoon. I'm Mr. Chair, Managing Director of Biosurge Asia. Our company produces a range of the products for automotive industries, from fuel additive to engine oil additive to automatic transmissions, maintenance and repair solutions, and also combustion chamber solution. Let me introduce one by one. This is a fuel additive. Fuel additive actually to improve performance of the engine, improve fuel qualities, and also saving fuel. So, engine flush to clean your engine compartment, lubrication compartment. This is Revo Nano, and it is to treat your engine lubrications to improve performance and also protect your engine. Then we have the multifunction injector cleaner. This will clean your fuel delivery systems even up to your DPF filter clog, and this can solve your problem. And we have the automatic transmissions treatment, so improve the performance and as well as solving some of the problem in your transmissions problem. So we have a CVT treatment. This CVT treatment is also improves the performance of your CVT and also prolong the lifespan of the CVT. Nowadays, many CVT car has encountered many premature wear and tear problem. Our solution actually to prevent that wear and tear. And then we have the solution for fixing your automatic transmission. People who experience early in the morning that cannot even engage the gear, forward or reverse gear, the car refuses to move until it heated up, then it moves. And our solution can solve the problem. And then we have combustion chamber decarbonizer. As the car age, it build up a lot of deposit into your combustion chamber. This is our solution actually to clean it. After cleaning it, you will feel your car younger by many years. With the feedback from end user, my car has been improved in younger by 10 years. The performance is like new. So our tagline is feel like driving a new car every day. So these are the whole range of the products. I will go into the details of the product in the future, one by one, and how it works. Okay, today, thank you very much. Thank you for your time watching my video.